Hi, everyone. Okay, so let's go over worksheet 49. You just watched the video talking about spelling with the E sound, and you were given several examples. We're going to read the rules together, and then let's fill in this side of the worksheet together. All right, so let's look at the rules here at the top. Let me underline those for you right in here. Okay, so it says when spelling with the E sound, all right, E is regularly found in any position of one-syllable words. E is found in the initial or medial position of two-syllable words, and Y is found in the final position of two-syllable words. And remember that Y can have an E sound. We talked about that in another lesson. Okay, so let's look at our words. We're going to try to fill these in with two E's, one E, or a Y. Number one, we just have an L there. So we're going to have eel. I don't think it's going to be a Y since it says final position. So it's either got to be two E's or one E. And it's going to be two E's. We've got that long E sound like that. All right, ready? Number two, we have meter, okay? And this will be one E, meter. Number three, happy. We have that final position, so we're going to have a Y. Number four, tree. We need two E's, tree. Number five, seed. And remember these two E's, it says in any position of a one-syllable word. Okay, one-syllable word. So that's kind of our clue there with that double E. Number six, funny. Final position, E sound will be Y. Number seven, fever. So it's a two-syllable word, so we're going to do one E there. Number eight, feet. Two E's. Number nine, greed. Two E's. Number 10, three. Two E's. Number 11, free. Two E's. A lot of double E's. Last one, silly. We have a final position there with the E sound, so we're going to put a Y. Okay, that was a short lesson. Flip your paper over, finish the back side, and turn it into your teacher. Have a fabulous day.